We have this 2019 Jeep Cherokee. They bought it from Copart. That's been an accident. As you can see, we need to change both roof airbag, both seat belts, possibly knee airbag. So we have a lot of work to do on this car. Now what I'm gonna do, I will go ahead and replace the driver side and passenger side seat belt. So if you have Jeep Cherokee, I'm gonna be working on this car for a lot of things. So subscribe to my channel so you can see the future videos. Let's start. So before we do anything, we have to disconnect the negative part on the battery. But remember, removing the this panel for the seat belt, sometimes you need to move the seat forward or backward. So what you need to do before you start, you can put it all the way up or all the way back, because when you disconnect the battery, this is electric, you cannot move it. So or if you want, you can remove the chair completely. Both ways works. But since I'm gonna be working on the airbag, I'm gonna put it all the way forward, and then also that's all it comes. I think that should let us to do our job. All right, so we start from here. We have to remove this. However, look at it here. This actually went under this, so we have to remove this panel. And then in order to remove this panel, we have to remove this weather strip or not. It depends. Let's see. Okay, so just pull it, it's not gonna break, it has the clip. So most probably we have to remove the driver's side as well. Let me show you. Okay, see, even from here, this goes under that. So we have two ways: either remove this, or when you remove this, it will just come out there. But I mean, the cleanest way to pray this as well. So, all right, just to show you from the driver's side, when you put this out, see, there's a clip from here goes to this one, the one that actually we're trying to remove. So just keep in mind, you have to remove this first. I don't have to remove it completely, just lift it so it comes out from this hole. Now this is free. Just a correction, the bolt here is actually Torque T10, okay? You see that? It's Torque. The size is T10. All right, so I think the first thing I should do, this one, we have to get this part, bottom part, out of this. The way we do it is, if you look at it closely, see here, sorry, I don't want to show you my feet, but it's just, okay, do you see that there's a notch here, this part? So we can get this plastic out by from here, so this will stay in place and we get this out. That's what I meant. See, now I got this out of the place, so now I can take this out. Also, you need something like this to remove the airbag. What you do, this red part here, you have to lift it like this and now pull it out like this, and then you have one here as well. Okay, you actually have two there, to be honest. One here, one there. One last thing before I remove it. You see this thing was here. The new one that it came, like the used airbag seat belt that came, doesn't have this. I just broke it. So just something that grabs the bottom part, but it's not really important. It would have been nice if the new one came with it. What I could do, you could get a cutter and cut this side, get this out, put the other one underneath. But I've opened so many seat belt doesn't have this part. So this car specifically has it. It doesn't really matter. Okay. All right. So I will start from this part. I will open it. It's a 50 bit torque bit. Okay. Let me make it 30. Now let's try it again. Okay. Now that I removed this, I can get this out. Remember, there are two harnesses. You have to get it out. All right, so this is the new one. Okay, here's the two part. That's the blue one. We will put it back to the blue one. Okay, let's see how it was. Okay, it's like this. Okay, after you put it in, push the red part, and then we get the black one, and then we push the red tab. Now this is all good, and now we put it back. It goes inside the door. It goes inside like this. See, it's flush, and then we get that bolt, then put it back. Make sure the bolt goes back. Okay, now this is good. What we do now, so see, the old one comes back here. So let's remove this part. We get the 15 mil. See if this was 15. Yeah. All right. Well, that was not easy. Okay, now that we got this off, let's put this back in there. Okay, it looks like the new one came with this. So we have to open it here too. Uh-oh. Okay. All right. We have to put this back in there. Well, it's like this. See, make sure this is here. This is goes back here. You see that? Like this. And now we will put this 19 mil nut back. Okay, now this is good. What else? Now that this part is done, this part is done, let's change the 15 mil to the torque bit, the 50 T50. Okay, now the last part where we have is this guy, the bottom part, which goes here. You see on the ground. So we already removed the airbag plug. We just have to remove that torque bit here. Okay, after we remove this, we get it. And then that's the part that you may get confused, because see, this goes inside this panel. Okay, so let's make sure to do that. Now let's get it out from here. Okay, and now we also have to get it out. See, this come with this one, so you have to get out this one, but mine came with that one, so that means we don't need at all. Let me put it aside. So we just work with the new one right now. What we do, we get this. Okay, we get this, and then we put from inside this, we put it out. Okay, and then this plastic remains inside. Why? Because this is the adjustment. And now we can reinstall this on the bottom. Let's see. We can okay, see, since this came from a used car, It's not a brand new airbag. It's been used before. They just cut the wire. So let's get this out. Okay. Now that this is out of the way, let's put this back in here. All right, so let me point something out. Okay, let me see if I can see it. So this actually goes to the wall, but if you notice here, there's a metal here. So there's a small hole under the nut. This actually goes in, and I can see it. So make sure this goes in, then spin the nut, okay? All right. You can extend the seat belt to make your job a little bit easier. Okay, see, I put the little metal inside the wall, so now we can push fasten the bolt. Okay, now this is good. Last thing, we have to put this airbag, yellow thing, and then push the red tab. This is completely done. Then what we do, we get this back. We get this, well, make sure you reroute this piece of metal, piece of plastic inside, okay? And then this way, let's see if everything aligned. Okay, this is all good, but actually, this has to be upside down. Let me show you. So this has to be this way, okay? Okay, this went back to place. And now we have to get this back inside. So I'm gonna, all right, I got this inside the car. Now we have to put this back in there, okay? So push this, and now make sure this one goes, okay, that's it. All right, so one last thing I wanna point out, which I forgot to do honestly. So it doesn't really, you're not gonna be able to see it really well, but there's a small, very small rubber covering this. Now when you put everything back, you can barely tell, but if you put the rubber, it's better, because why not? That's how it came. So let me find, the rubber was really hard to get off, but I did get it off. So if I can find it, I'll try to put it back. All right, now I know why I did not put it on. So the old one that you take it off, it's in there. And it doesn't come off. But I'm still gonna get it out. What I'm gonna do, I'll cut it from here and then put it under that, because it has these small holes. This has teeth, so it should stay there, because this way it doesn't really look good. You see a big hole, so I'm gonna cover it. That's the best I could do. I made the cut, I put it back. Now at least you don't see a hole. It's gonna be as original, close at least. Okay, now the only thing left for us just to push it, put everything back together, put that screw back here, and then we're done for this side. What I did, I took off the weather strip for both sides and then put that part back. And now I think it seems to sit. Seems to be sitting there. Yeah, we just have to put that screw back there and then push it. Okay. Keep push all around it, and that's good. So now we just have to put that screw back and we are done with this side. I took off this weather strip. I'm not gonna put it back because whenever I'm done, I have to actually take off this roof or bend it at least, because I have to change the roof airbag as well. But for you, you just, you know, put this back there on like tucking in, and then you're done. So let me I will do that part. So basically we are done here. Of course the airbag light would not go, you know, off, just it's not going to go away just because of this, because we have to remove the SRS module and then send it to the reset, you know, services. Or if you can do it yourself, you can do it when you get it back after you repair everything, then it will go away. However, so this side is almost identical to this one. I will make a video right after this, because that one is a little bit easier, I guess, because it has less component. But if this video helped you in any way, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question that I did not cover, leave them in the comment. I will respond to you as soon as I see it. Thank you for watching.